Creating and using Audacity for L2 instruction, a hands-on workshop by Marsha Chan. In this workshop, you'll learn to create voice files in Audacity, make edits suitable for L2 instruction, and examine various uses for the auditory and visual media. You can create learning objects such as words, phrases, sentences, narratives, dialogues, poems, reports, and instructions, and give a personalized response directly in a student's recording. You can capture the spectrogram of speech samples and analyze the speaking rate, phrasal stress, pausing, and word stress. To participate in the Audacity workshop, please download to your computer prior to the workshop Audacity from audacityteam.org. Follow the directions under Download. Configure your workspace so that you'll be able to toggle among multiple computer windows or screens or devices. Your lecture, demo, Zoom webinar window, that's the main one, your Audacity project, and an online share space. Now let's get going. It's a hands-on workshop. Audacity.